welcome back to the thing that's just gonna start, and then I'm gonna be like, hey, what the fuck?
Why not? On the video, you know what they're getting it.
Yeah, I know, but you still gotta say like, welcome back to the channel. You know what I mean? Anyways.
Hey, so indeed, from the indeed, yeah, hey, yeah. I see you looking like a snack. Let me see some. You are the wifey type, baby. You could be one. Let me change your life. I could show you many reasons.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So far, it's been what, a week since we first posted our first video. We got a lot of feedback on it, a lot of good stuff, and honestly, big shout out to you guys for the views and for the subs and everything. That first video did a lot better than anything that we were expecting, truthfully. So it kind of gave us even more motivation to keep going. But with that being said, we sold both cars.
Are you serious?
That's true.
Yeah, it's true. We got this.
You got this one. Trade both of them in. 2004 Mercury Mountaineer needs, I think, a new fuel pump. Tires are very bald, and the tire's flat.
Hey, but that's okay though, because it comes with a solid V16 engine.
I don't know about that one.
Yeah, no, we didn't sell the cars.
They're like still in the background.
Anyways, so with that being said, welcome back to the channel. Ricky, you want to tell them what we're doing today?
We're drilling holes. But we're doing two spoiler installs. We're gonna be working on Gio's car, and then we're gonna build a mine.
Fragile. Must be French.
So we're gonna start off with Ricky's spoiler today.
Well, let's crack it open. See what's going on here. Alright, got some boxes. Hardware. More hardware.
Hey, is that an instruction manual?
I don't think so, though. We'll find out.
Ricky, you want to tell the audience how much you spent on it?
Let's not talk about that. Let's move forward. But let's
Spent
crack it open.
$2,000 on it. Nice. That's all I'm here for. Wait, did you get the carbon fiber one?
I don't remember. I might have. I just know on the picture it was black. I was like, that's cool. Look at that one. No further questions.
Oh, you did get the carbon fiber one.
I did?
You did get the carbon fiber.
Well, we're going carbon fiber, boys. Carbon fiber all the way. As kids say, my bad.
Dude, but that looks so nice.
And that's just the back.
Oh my god. Nice. Well, here it is. Get it up close and look at that weave, dude. That's a nice weave, bro. Damn, dude. Oh, even these are super light. Hey, APR, sponsor us, okay? Just let me know.
Yeah.
Do you ever feel
they're heavier.
like some bubble wrap drifting through the wind, getting stuck on a box?
So right now we're just doing some prep for Ricky's spoiler. We gotta get all these like little clips out to get, what is this called?
Trunk lining.
Trunk lining. Yeah.
We gotta get this off because once I start drilling, we're going through the lining if I don't take it off.
While he does that, I'm gonna kind of explain a little bit what's going on with my car, some possible future updates. We do have possible 2 engine upgrades coming to the car real soon. It should put me at about an extra, I don't know, 20 to 30 horsepower with both of them combined. Hopefully soon. I just got to see some finances and stuff. We gotta add some power to my boy, you know what I mean?
I'm doing this for aesthetics. We're getting engine later.
We're getting engine later. What is that? Is that a woodpecker? Oh my god, it is a woodpecker. We're out here in the wild.
Hi, and welcome to the birdwatching channel.
My girlfriend is like terrified of birds. Just a fun fact about my girlfriend. Love you. Well,
That's all the prep work. Now to build the damn thing.
love it. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, word. 3/8 of an inch.
Ricky knows his way around a ruler, if you know what I'm saying.
If I fuck it up, we'll just get the carbon fiber trunk. It'll be fine.
Not bad, Mr. Moneybags. Look at me, I'm Ricky. I got a credit card.
Dude's racing his lawnmower over there.
Dude, low key, what if we build up a lawnmower?
Can we do a golf cart?
Dude. How much are golf carts?
I mean, honestly, you probably could have bought one with your fucking spoiler. I love that I can make fun of both of you now, because now I can make fun of you for buying a $2,000 spoiler, and I can make fun of you because you don't have a V8.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Hey, you guys are the one that taught me these words, so I'm just a camera guy.
The point of no return, bro. Let's do it.
Well, that didn't do shit. I got anything harder than that?
Oh boy.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
That didn't do anything.
You can tell. It's. Oh, that would actually hit.
Oh, boy, Bob.
It's fine.
Are you sure?
It's fine. No one looks in there. A bit of damage, but it'll be fine. Well, let's keep going. Is that a bee or what?
Alright, we don't kill bees. Save the bees.
That's a wasp.
Is that a wasp?
Yeah, step on that bitch.
We're fine. We're fine.
I don't know, man.
Shut the fuck up.
What are we doing? I'm trying to help you, dude.
I'm trying to see.
I'm just chill. Dude, that was nerve-wracking. I'm not gonna lie to you.
The paint's still intact.
Surprisingly. Alright, boys and girls, well, that was that. We got the holes in, so that's the hard part. That's the scary part. Now it's just a matter of building this bad boy and installing it. And then we'll go on to mine, which mine should honestly not take as long as this did. Update. Ricky's pissed off.
Very.
Yeah, he's really bad. We gotta drill bigger.
Quick update. This shit's not aligned.
We fucked up. Trunk's completely fucked up. We gotta get a whole new one. Nah, I'm just fucking with you. It's just it's not lined up correctly. So we just gotta make just a tad bit of a bigger hole. Still look. Yeah, I'm glad you didn't take the sticker off.
Pull it out.
Pull it out?
Yeah.
That's what she said. I honestly did not expect this to take this long. We've been at this for about like 4 hours. Does it close?
Hey, that's not bad.
Motherfucker's all happy now.
Should look pretty good, man.
So we're experiencing some technical difficulties at the moment.
Now watch me whip, whip.
The rubber's the one that's stopping it.
It's the rubber. The rubber's always stopping it, eh? That's what she said.
Still got the drill, right?
Literally, like playing
Fastest hands in the West.
pan over.
Get in the hole. Are
you too good for your hole?
Mama says that hole is the devil.
Oh, it's gonna be the fucking devil. Come on, it came out all the way. God damn it.
Just
It's upside down. That's why it's not. I'm gonna shit a brick, dude. See, it goes like that. I don't know who put it, so don't start fucking yelling at it. Someone put it this way, it was upside down, that's why it was fucked. It has to go this way, because that's where this sits.
Oh, we're vibing.
We are now. We could have had this solved like so long ago.
Honestly, I don't know who put it that way.
So I'm not throwing blank, because it was probably me.
We finished. Finally.
Took what, 4, 5 hours almost?
Yeah, dude, that was kind of very long installed. As you can see, whole lot of downforce. Ricky gained at least 600 horsepower with that wing on it.
100%.
It's done. It's finished.
It's finally on.
It looks absolutely amazing. Shout out to Ricky's dad for helping on this side, because we couldn't do it.
This whole side in general was just the absolute worst. Everything we did was kind of mismatched on this side. This side was a breeze.
But yeah, so Ricky's spoiler's done. Now we're moving on to mine. Hopefully it's not as long as it did this one. It shouldn't be. Definitely Ricky's looks a lot cooler than mine for sure. Mine's kind of just an OEM Hellcat spoiler, so it's just like me. you know. But it'll definitely give the backside of my car a more aggressive look. The back of the car is coming out nicely, bro.
Yeah, it's looking less like a mom car now. But we're definitely gonna get a new diffuser. Definitely gonna get the F1 light. We need a heat gun because I can replace these guys. I have blacked out ones with like the white logo instead of chrome. Gotta put on my rear mud flaps. Engine wise, just a blow up valve for now. That's all I got.
Hey, so indeed, from the indeed, yeah. I see you looking like a snack. Let me see some. You are the wifey type, baby. You could be one. Let me change your life. I could show you many reasons, different seasons.
And dude, honestly, I give up.
Walk back and I stay in it. Hit from the back and I stay in it.